Hello and welcome to my new channel. My name is Lloyd Summers and I specialize in interesting and creative prototypes. As some of you know, I took a bit of a break from Internet of Things to start a new video game company called Red Iron Labs, which I am very excited about. But we're not talking about that today. Today we're going to take a break from all of that and get back to doing some Internet of Things and some really creative projects. One of the things I had started to create was some ghost hunting equipment, which I thought was pretty cool. Rather than just continue on those old videos which kind of got abandoned, what if I created a whole series of different little projects doing our own little Internet of Things experiments? We're going to talk about how to build EMF recorders, if they work, how they work, and why they work. Electronic voice phenomenon, how we can change the way that some recordings are done to try to capture audio in a way that's different, that allows us to prevent filters that get rid of noise that might actually be hiding some interesting information. So one thing I want to do a little different from before is have a little bit more face time and walk you through some of the decisions I made in terms of technology and why we're going to make things do what they do. We're going to be creating some very interesting tools. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am about this new channel and some of these new projects.